Okay, here we are a few minutes later, and you can see the bracelet is taking shape. We're 75% done, and it's taken 32 minutes to get to this point. So it is a very slow process. It does it one thin layer at a time. It is absolutely precision perfect. Let me give you a view from the top. That's what it looks like. This machine never gets tired. And here's the spool that it uses. That's the raw material. Here it is. This bracelet is going to be expandable. And here is the readout. I'm not sure if it can be seen here, but it says it's 78% done. And the extruder is 230 degrees centigrade, so it is very hot there. It has to be in order for it to melt the plastic. And when it does so, I think it's a type of plastic that solidifies instantly. So you have a solid piece of product as it's being built. So that's it. There is your 3D printer. MakerBot replicator too. We are in the gaming room of the university. And we have another 3D printer here. As you can see, we have two on the table, and we also have a 3D scanner, so you can put your object in the center, and the system is able to scan the object and create a file that can then be transferred to the 3D printer for replication. So, fascinating technology. That's it. That's the story.